Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will explain the multiplication of the matrices. So, for the multiplication of the matrices, I will explain with the help of the example. Suppose I am taking any matrix 1, 2, 3, 0. Another example, I have taken of a matrix 4, 1. Before multiplication, we have to see that whether they can multiply with each other or not. For this one, I have already explained the order also. We have to find out the order first. Order means the number of rows, 2 rows by number of columns, 2 columns. Here 2 rows and the number of columns. This is the number of rows, this is the number of columns, this is the number of rows, and this is the number of columns. Number of columns of the first must be equal to the number of columns to the second matrix. Number of columns should be equal to the number of rows for the second and for the first. Number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Then these matrices can multiply with each other, and the resulting product will have order like this: 2 times 2 and 2 by 1. So they are same, it can be done. So the resulting will have this order: 2 by 1 will be the resulting order of the product matrices. We can multiply here now. A multiply by B. Write down the matrix A 1 2 3 0 and multiply by B, that is 4 1. Multiply row with the column, like first row with the first column will make the first row first column element. In this way, I always teach that consider this is the tail, this is the head. So tail multiply by tail plus head multiply by head, and if there are any between any numbers, so they are multiplying also correspondingly. So tail multiply tail, 1 multiply by 4 plus head to head 2 multiply by 1. It's okay. Then again, there is no any second column, that's why this column will not be continued. So we will go to the next. Second row, first column. So this will be second row and first column. It will make 3 times 4, tail to tail plus head to head. So this one is 1 4s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2, 3 4s are 12 plus 0 1s are 0. 4 plus 2 6, 12 plus 0 is 12. And the resulting matrix have the order of 2 rows and 1 column, which is this one I told you before. Okay, like this you can solve the multiplication in any type of the matrices. I will take another example. I have taken this matrix A. Let's write down its order: 3 rows, 2 columns. Let's write down its order: 2 rows and 1 2 3 columns. So as first matrix column is equal to the second matrix row, it means they can be multiplied together, and the resulting matrix will have the order of 3 by 3. Let's multiply A multiply by B. In multiplication, we can write them first, write them spaciously: 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2. The first row multiply to the first column, tail to tail, tail multiply by tail plus head to head 2 times 0. Okay, now second elements, tail to tail 1 times 0 plus head to head 2 times 1. Now third, tail to tail 1 times minus 1 plus head to head 2 times 2. After this, the second row will be with the first column, second column and third column again. Tail to tail 0 times 1 plus head to head minus 1 times 0. Tail to tail 0 times 0 plus head to head minus 1 times 1. Tail to tail 0 times minus 1 plus head to head minus 1 times 2. Now third row multiply to the first column, second column and third column. Tail to tail minus 1 times 1 plus head to head 2 times 0. Tail to tail minus 1 times 0 plus head to head 2 times 1. Tail to tail minus 1 times minus 1 plus head to head 2 times 2. So the multiplication is complete. Now I will always refer to do the checking. Checking means 1 0 minus 1, these elements should be same. 2 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 2, these elements should be same. 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1, first column, second column, first column, second column of the first matrix. And now 1 0 minus 1, 1 0, yeah, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, first column. Now 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now third one minus 1 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 2. Now in this way you can check whether the multiplication go perfectly or not, or if there is any mistake quickly you can find out the mistake by checking the column like this one. All these columns should be from the first matrix, and this should be from the means first element here, second here, this first here, second here, this first here, second here. So you can find out the mistake quickly. Now we will continue for writing. 1 ones are 1 plus 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus it is 0 minus 1, and the product of 2 to 0 will be 0. Product with 0 always will be 0, plus 2 0 plus minus minus 1 ones are 1, 0 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 twos are 4, 0 minus 2, 1 minus minus plus 1 ones are 1 and plus 2 twos are 4. Solving these together, 1 0 minus 1, 2 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 and 5. So it's done. So multiplication between two matrices are done, and thanks for watching this video. If you like, so please tell me in the comments and subscribe my channel also. So in the next video I will continue for finding the inverse, find the inverse multiplicative inverse of a matrix. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.